The star of today's video is a 1993 Chevy S10 pickup, but it really could be anything. I know the same wipers should be from 82 to 93, I believe. Please look it up. What I'm working on here is a 1993, and we're going to do some wiper blades. Real simple DIY project. Even some of the places will, some of the auto parts stores will put them on for free these days, but just in case you want to do your own, here's how you do that. The wipers I'm going to be using for this video, Trico 25-1616, and they are both the same size on this vehicle. Other vehicles may not be. Got you zoomed way in there on the wiper arm. The way I'm going to remove it is to put a box behind it. What you don't want to happen is that wiper arm goes slapping down onto your windshield, possibly causing a crack. We're going to push down there, and as we're pushing down on that button, we're going to slide the wiper blade up and off the shaft. And this one's fighting me. There we go. Here's what you don't want to do. Let that slam on what would have been your window. This one, just push it in, see, it slips right in. This is just a guide for shipping. We'll do the other side. We'll be out of here in a few seconds. Put our box behind there. Push in our release button. That should come up in one motion, but for some reason it's fighting me a hair. And all you got there is just a pin, basically. Put it in there. It already, I heard it snap. Take that guide off. It's that easy, folks. That's how we do a 93 S10 pickup, Trico wiper blades. I hereby declare those wiper blades Wildwood certified. Thanks for watching. Just in case there's anybody out there that took the whole wiper arms off during some service work, that's about the angle you want them. So just take a quick look there at the angle of the blades. If you were to start them too high, it's going to go off the end, and if you start them too low, they'll bottom out on the cowl. So just about like that.